Gates boom, drums knock, strings crying pain. Cape Town streets flood with blood, no summer rain. Crowd chants echo, wake us up! Through the chain. R1 be gone, schools bleed, clinics dry. Die kinders val soos blare, ma's vrou hoekom bly. Warzone streets, yellow tape choke the lane. DA facts wave, but they feel the flame. Promises crack, movements left to rot. Die en sissie kus moet sak, leaders forgot. Ek sien kinders met drome wat nooit gaan vlieg. Gunpowder lullabies, was die liefde wat ons vir hulle gee. Foreign hands grip our land, buying piece by piece. While gentrified dreams push our people to their knees. Wake us up, the crowd screams loud, fierce and raw. Kyk flats burning, maar hulle steel ons grond en law. Concrete jungle, no lions, just hyenas in suits. They steal from the roots, then dress the fruits. EA's beloftes draai gif van die wyn. Ons stemme was weapons, nou silence ons pyn. Ek sien die betrayal, ek voel die weight. Their promises fight while we carry the hate. Ons mense verdrink in die leuns wat hulle verkoop. Wake us up, ons bly nie stil in hierdie rook.